this is the northern part of India, and in this we will learn about the northern mountains. Northern mountain stretches from Jammu Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the east, from here to here. After reaching Arunachal Pradesh, mountains bend toward the south and reach here the Mizoram state. Clear? And this mountain जो है from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh across many states like here Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and northern part of West Bengal and Mizoram, and these 7 sisters. These mountains across many states. First we will learn about the meaning of Himalaya. These are known as Himalaya because throughout the year these mountains covered with the snow. So that's why these mountains are known as Himalayan mountains. What the meaning of Himalaya? Word Himalaya is combination of 2 words. Him plus Alaya. Meaning of him is snow or ice, and Alaya means place of living, means home. It means it is home of ice, or we can say abode of ice. So that's why these mountains are known as Himalayan mountains, because these mountains permanently covered with the snow. Next we will learn about these mountains. As I told you, these stretches from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, from north to east, and crosses many states: Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and the northern part of West Bengal. And from Jammu Kashmir to north, it जो distance is near about 2500 kilometer, and these mountains are wide in Jammu Kashmir 450 kilometer. Next जो है, these mountains consists of 3 parallel ranges. We can say these mountains can be divided into 3 parallel ranges. First है Greater Himalaya, सेकेंड है मिडिल हिमालय, थर्ड है आउटर हिमालय. Now we will learn about these 3 ranges one by one. First we will learn about the Greater Himalaya. Greater Himalayas are also known as, these are the Greater Himalayas, जो first है. Greater Himalayas are known as the Himadri also, because they are at the top of Himalaya. It has the highest peaks of Himalaya. This is also known as Himadri. And it has the highest peaks of Himalaya like Mount Everest. Mount Everest is here. It is the highest peak of world. Mount Everest is located here. It is the highest peak of world, and its total height is 8,848 meter. It is located in Nepal, not in India. It is located in Nepal. As you can see, this is the country Nepal here. It is located here. And the second highest peak, Mount Godwin-Austen. Mount Godwin-Austen is the second highest peak of the world. It is located in India, and it is also known as K2. It is known as K2, and its total height is 8,611 meter. Now must remember these points, but it is very important. Next, the other important peaks are, these are Naga Parbat. It is located here, Annapurna and Kanchenjunga. These are also important peaks of India. Now next you can know beta, various rivers originate from the Himalaya. Like the Ganga rivers originate from here. and flows from the northern plains. Other many rivers like Ganga, Jamuna and Brahmaputra, these rivers also originate from Himalayan, and these rivers gets the water from glaciers. Now what is glacier? Glaciers क्या होते हैं? Glaciers are huge mass of ice. Glaciers are huge mass of ice and which moves over the land. And these glaciers provide water to the rivers. Like Ganga river, it gets water from the glacier Gangotri. Clear about the Greater Himalaya? Next we will talk about the Middle Himalaya. Middle Himalaya is also known as the Himachal. These are also known as Himachal. These are also very important mountains but these mountains are not as high as the Greater Himalaya, but these mountains also covered with the thick forests. And these mountains are parallel to the Greater Himalaya and to the southward of Greater Himalaya. These mountains covered with the thick forests like the pine, oak and deodar. And in this range we can find the many hill stations like Shimla, Kulu Manali, Darjeeling and Nainital. These hill stations are located in this range. Next, in the winter, this range receives heavy rainfall. Next, we will talk about the Outer Himalaya. Outer नाम से ही clear हो रहा है. It is the southernmost range of the Himalayas. This is the third parallel range of Himalaya, also known as the foothills and Shivalik. Popular name of the Outer Himalaya is Shivalik, or also known as foothills. This range is also very important because this range is the home to wild animals. Many types of wild animals we can find in this range, and government has also made very protected areas in this range to protect the wild animals like the Corbett National Park, Kaziranga National Park. And in these slopes are also covered with the forests. And this range has the lowest range, as I told you, and it has its own importance. Now it is clear about the Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya and the Outer Himalaya. Now we will discuss about the importance of the northern mountains. First of all, as you can see, this is a huge wall of mountains, so it acts always as the barrier. It always protects us from the attacks of invaders. Second, it is helpful to bring rain in the northern plains also. In the summer, the rain helps us to good production of the crops. Clear? Third जो है, it provides the timber for furniture. And these forests have many medicinal herbs, and these medicinal herbs help us to produce many types of medicines. And also students, these mountain ranges are the abode of the suns and gods, because like Hemkund Sahib, Chintapurni, Vaishno Devi, Amarnath, these all are places in this range. I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you.